Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to give you some downloads in relation to the difference between good and bad debt. So understanding good debt, understanding bad debt, and also the difference between assets and liabilities. So an asset is something that puts more money in your pocket than it takes out. A liability is something that takes more money out of your pocket than it puts back in. So it's important to create a number of assets. When you have a lot of assets and you have income coming in from those assets, you use the income from those assets to purchase the liabilities that you would like to experience, because there's nothing wrong with having a wonderful, extravagant lifestyle. But just allow yourself to have enough assets that will actually finance that lifestyle for you and allow you to purchase the liabilities that you can use to enjoy your life. So the downloads that we're going to start with is we're going to know the difference between good debt and bad debt. We're going to know the difference between an asset and a liability. So knowing how to recognize assets, knowing that it's safe and possible for you to recognize assets, knowing how to recognize good investments, knowing how to trust your intuition when it comes to investing, and knowing how to get the right advice about investments, knowing that it's safe and possible for you to get educated advice on investments, and knowing how to allow yourself to diversify your investments, knowing that it's safe and possible for you to have a balanced accounts, knowing how to balance your portfolio. So knowing how much to put into property, knowing how much to put into shares, knowing how much to put into other investments, so that it's safe and possible for you to spread your investments and allow your investments to work for you. And knowing what it feels like to get a financial return from all of your investments, knowing what it feels like to be a successful investor, and that it's safe and possible for you to be a successful investor, and knowing what it feels like to be a great money manager, knowing how to be wise with your money, knowing how to allow your money to work for you and allow your money to grow exponentially. So if you'd like to receive these downloads, then just say yes. Cool. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you share it with your friends and family, people that you think can benefit from it. And if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, it'll actually keep you notified with upcoming videos that we post. So I look forward to sharing more videos with you, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Thank you.